4.5-inch angle grinder reviews. Porter cable angle grinder review. Bosch angle grinder review. Feature of the Makita 9557 PBX1 4.5-inch angle grinder. Powerful 7.5 AMP motor delivers 11,000 RPM power. 2.5 diameter barrel grip. Lock-on/off feature. AC/DC switch for alternative power source. Protective zigzag varnish seals motor. Extra large paddle switch. Thicker coil wires. All ball bearing design and metal gear housing. Rotatable gear housing can be positioned every 90 degrees. Feature of the Porter cable PC60 tag 6.0 amp 4.5-inch angle grinder. 6 amp and 11,000 RPM for high-speed motor. Cast metal gear case increases. Tool-free change guard. Spindle lock feature. 3-position side handle for multiple positions. Slide switch with lock-on. 3-year warranty. Feature of the Bosch 1380 Slim 2P 7.5 amp 4.5-inch slim grinder. Single speed 7.5 amp motor delivering 11,000 RPM. 2-position auxiliary handle. Lock-on/off switch. Ergonomic slim grip. Directed airflow. Removable air brushes. Reinforced wheel guard. Spindle lock for quick wheel changes. Feature of the DEWALT D28402K 4.5-inch small angle grinder kit. Weight, 4.6 pounds. Motor, 1.6 horsepower, 10 amps. Speed, 11,000 revolutions per minute. Voltage, 120 volts. Dust ejection system for longer tool life. Adjustable handle location for left-handers or right-handers. Ergonomic, lightweight design that is easy to use. Excellent for grinding and cutting. 3-year limited warranty. Feature of the DEWALT D28115 heavy-duty 4.5-inch. 1.1 horsepower, 7 amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM. Quick change wheel release for tool-free removal. Dust ejection system and dual abrasion protection. Vibration reducing side handle. 3-year limited warranty, 1 year free service.